Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and safe at your home. As you know, I am your teacher, Miss Atiya. Student, today we will learn math, okay, for class 3. Date is 18th of January 2021 and day is Monday. Okay, now student, let's start our lecture. Student, in our previous lecture we have learned the word problem of division, okay, and we have done some question of book. Today we will continue our next word problems. So student, for this, first take out your countdown math book 4. Okay, now take out your countdown book 3 of math and open book page 98. Okay, open book page 98. Now student, we are starting from word problem 9. I am writing here, student, the word problem is of division. We have done in our previous lecture. Rest of we are solving. Now I am writing here word problem. How many packs of 4 biscuits can be made with 735 biscuits. To be, what you have to do? Distributed okay, among some children. What you have to find also? How many biscuits will be left? This is our question. Now students, I am reading again and understanding question you first. Okay, how many packs of 4 biscuits can be made with 735 biscuits? Student, it means the total quantity of biscuits are 735, okay, and we have to make the packs of 4 biscuits. It means in each pack should be 4 biscuits, and we have to distribute these packets in among some children, okay, and we have to also find how many biscuits will be left after making the packets. How many biscuits will be left, you have to find out. Now let's start the solution. Okay, first I will make the data here. Student, because the question is in wording form, so definitely answer your solution will be in wording form. I am first making the data. Student, as you know, the total biscuits are how many? Definitely is given in the question 735. Okay, total biscuits are, and we have to make the each pack of, okay, definitely of 4 biscuits. Okay, we have to make the packets of 4 biscuits. What you have to find first? How many packs? Okay, total pack you have to find. Total packs of 4 biscuits you have to find. This is your requirement of question. Okay. Okay, now I am making here, we are drawing here the question mark. Now let's solve student question, the word problem of division. So definitely we will divide. For division, for dividing, I will do the work here. Okay, in this calculation column, your calculation work, you can make the column here at the side of your copy. Okay, calculation work we are doing here. Okay, student, the biggest number 735 I am placing inside. Okay, and now I will divide this 735 by 4. Okay, now student, now let's read the table of 4. As you know, first student, you have learned about this. Now this one is unit, this one is tens, and this one is 100. And we will start from 100 definitely. Okay, so here in this value 100 is 7. Okay, so first we will start from 7. Now with the table of 4, 1 time 4 is 4. I will take some first 100. Okay, now subtracting this, 7 minus 4, definitely answer will be 3. Okay, now 3. Student, can we divide 3 into 4? No, impossible, because 3 is not come in the table of 4. So definitely I will copy the tens from the question. Tens, in this value tens is 3. So I will write here 3. Now I can divide. Okay, we can read the table of 4 till 33. If 33 not come, so we will read the table less than 33. So do you know 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, less value. Now subtract this. 3 minus 2 definitely is 1, and there is no any remainder. Okay, 1 comes in the table of 4. No, impossible. So definitely I will copy next value. Next value is ones, and ones is here 5. So I will copy here 5. Okay, 15 comes in the table of 4. Yeah, less than value we can count. Yes, we can read. So 4 times 3 is, yeah, 3 times 4 is 12. Now subtract this, very easy. Definitely same method, we will choose the smallest number. 2 is the smallest number, and then after this we will count the till 5. After 2 which number comes? Definitely 3, 4 and 5. Okay, total are 3. So answer will be 3. Oh student, do you know we have learned in the lecture a rest of the value called remainder. Now come toward the answer. The requirement of question is if you have to find the total packs of 4. So I will write the answer in definitely wording form. So I will write the answer first. Okay, the total packs of 4 biscuits are how many students? 183. This is our answer, 183. Okay, 183. After this, he asked how many biscuits will be left. Student, the 3. This is the remainder 3. So definitely total biscuit, remaining biscuits are 3. So I will write 3 biscuits will be left. This is the requirement of our question. Look at here carefully. It means we will make the pack of 4 biscuit. 183 packs we will make, and the rest of the biscuit, remaining biscuits are 3. This is your answer. After this student, now come toward the question 13. I am writing here question number 13. Question 13 is, I am reading, there are 650 lemons to be put into bags. Part A requirement is in the question, how many bags of 7 lemons each can be filled. Part B, how many lemons are left over. It means we have to give the 2 answer of this question. In question there are 2 parts, and we have to give the answer of each part. First, I am student defining the question. Okay, what he is asking. Student, it means we have 650 lemons. It means I have, you have 650 lemons. And student, we have to make the 7 lemons pack. Okay, and we have the different bags, lots of bags we have. In each bag should be 7 lemons. Okay, we have to put 7 lemon in each bag, and total lemons are 650. What he is asking? He is asking me how many bags of 7 lemons. If I am putting the 7 bags in each 7 lemons in each bag, so I have to tell the total bags of 7 lemons. And second part, okay, you have to also tell the left of lemons. Okay, how many lemons are left. Okay, now let's start from solution. What I will write, student? First I will make the data. You will do this work in copy, students. Okay, all question you will solve in your copy. Now first I am making the data here. First, total lemons. Total quantity of lemon is, as you know, this is given in the question, 650. Okay, and what you have put in each bag, and you have to put in each bag how many lemons? 7 lemons. Okay, you have to put 7 lemons in each bag, and we have to find the quantity of bags. And what we have to find? Bags of 7 lemons. You have to find this. This is the requirement of our question. Now let's solve. Same method in division column. Okay, I will make here the calculation work column. Okay, draw a separate margin line here. Now I will solve the question inside this column. Okay, the greater value is definitely 650. 650. Okay, I am placing 650 inside this, and outside I will write 7. Okay, first one with the table of 7. As you know, 9 sevens are 63. Then after this we will subtract 63. Same as it is, choose the smallest value, and smallest value is 3 definitely. So I will count after 3 till 5. Okay, so after 3 which number comes? Definitely 4 and 5. Okay, total number are 2. Okay, so I will write here 2. And there is no any reminder. Okay, now student, 2 is not come in the table of 7, so definitely I will copy 1s here, and 1s is 0. Now table of 7, 2 times 7 is 14. Do you know? Yes, you know. And then I will minus definitely. Student, I cannot minus 0 into 4, so definitely I will take the carry from 1. It will be 10. 10 minus 4, very easy. After 4 you will count till 10. After 4, which number comes? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 6. Count this, students. Total are 6. Yes. So I will write here 6. Okay. There is no any reminder. Now come toward the answer. What we will write in the answer? Student, total pack of 7 lemons. You will write the bag of 7 lemons. How many? 92. Okay, 92. And the second part, what he is asking, how many lemons are left? Okay, so how many lemons are left? Look at here, this is the reminder. We call this reminder. This value we call this reminder. Okay, so reminder is 6. So 6 part B, answer of part B. Okay, of this. 6 lemons are left. is your answer. Okay. Now student, take out your book. Count on book 3. Open book page 98. Question 8 we have done in lecture. Student 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 we have done in lecture. Okay, 14, 15. 14, 15, 11, 12 and 10. These all question you will solve in your copy. This is your homework. Student, your homework is book page 98. Okay. Question 10, 11, 12, 14 and 15. All questions student you will solve in your copy. This is your homework. Okay student, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.